Hello everyone, today we are going to be watching some sad animations, and let's go ahead and get started, and make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get to today's video.
I dream, time's gone by. No time like worth.
I dreamed that love would never die. I dreamed that God would be forgiving. When I was young and afraid, the dreams were used and wasted.
Here's one thing, I really want to one of these those things or something as a pet.
Soft as thunder.
God.
As they tear you apart.
Yeah, I always wanted these.
As they turn your dream to shade.
And still I dream he'll come to me, that we will live the years together.
There are dreams that cannot be.
What are they trying to do to the animals? I don't get it.
There are storms we cannot weather.
Hope it's not dead.
I dream my life would be so different from this hell I'm living.
Hope he doesn't die. Because those things are cute. What happened to his eyes? Oh my god! Yikes! Okay, we're on to the next one. The other one was pretty crazy and pretty bad. Okay, let's do this one.
As a matter of fact,
Oh my god, these ads. Finally, we're back to this.
Hold my breath, hush my head, count my steps. I need this more than ever. Might feel strange,
She can't play recess because of her leg. But here's one thing. How did it happen? Oh, I see. Her dream is like ballet. But she can't do it because of her leg. She got a dress for her. Okay. She's practicing. That's good. Oh yes, she's working her leg. Uh-oh. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen next. Okay, that one was very cool. Okay, this is the next animation, and let's go ahead and see about this other sad one. The other one was pretty sad too. Still very cool. Is that a mask? Ooh. Oh my god. What happened? Why is his face all cracks? The life of death. Why does all the sad animations have to include death? Wait, what? What is that? First of all, what is that? What? What is he doing? Why is he touching them? They're gonna die. Yeah, I think it's because of his hands. His hands include death. Like, he can't join the others because, see, if he touches something, it just dies. So they want to stay away from him, which is very sad, because if he touches one of them, they die, which is very unusual. Oh my god. Wait, is he an animal though? Or is that something? I don't know. Yeah, so if he touches anything like the trees, they'll just fall down or something. I hope he's joining the others. Yeah, he's living normal. Okay, it's being nice. Okay, he's not bad anymore. But I kind of always wanted also a deer too. She's still alive. Best friends forever. Oh man. That sucks. But why did she do that? Oh, here comes the rain. because every single time when I like watch a sad animation, like when someone dies, it's and like when they're sitting there, it like starts raining. But anyways, to the last one, the last animation. So this is the last animation, and it's called Safe Place. So let's go ahead and get to it. I play with Legos. Matter of fact, I actually have like those Lego bins.
Oh, this is the bad fight.
Okay, he's playing. Ooh! Who comes in now? I may have actually saw this animation before. Is that wine or something? Oh. Oh my god. This is scary. I think this is... Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god. Yeah, he has a bell in his hand. Oh. I hope he didn't get slapped. Okay, that was really short, but really scary and really sad. That would be really scary if that actually happened to me. Like, I would be screaming. Yeah, that... I can't... Yeah. But anyways, guys, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and click that notification bell if you want to be in my future videos. And one day I'll show you guys my account if you guys want to friend me, and giveaway coming soon on Royale. Hi. If you guys have the trading hub. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the notification bell, and bye!